Dear students, today we will perform volumetric analysis of FAS versus KMnO4. Aim of the experiment is to prepare 0.1 molar ferrous ammonium sulfate solution and determine concentration in terms of molarity of KMnO4 using standard solution of FAS. This experiment consists of two parts. Part A is preparation of standard, that is 0.1 molar FAS solution. Place a paper on the balance and adjust the reading to 0. Weigh accurately 3.92 gram of FAS. Transfer 3.92 gram of FAS to a 50 ml beaker. Add about 10 to 15 ml of water and stir the solution. Now transfer the solution from the beaker to a standard volumetric flask. Give 2 to 3 washings to the beaker. Now add water to the standard volumetric flask and make the volume to 100 ml. The final dilution has to be done with a pipette. Hold the flask in your hand so that the mark is parallel to your eyesight, and adjust the volume to 100 ml using a pipette. Shake the flask well so that the solution has uniform concentration. Now transfer the solution from the volumetric flask to the round bottom flask. Determination of molarity of KMnO4 using FAS solution. Rinse and fill up the burette with the given KMnO4 solution. Adjust the level of KMnO4 to 0 and remove the air bubble. Rinse the pipette with FAS solution and then pipette out 10 ml of FAS solution. Transfer it to a conical flask. Now add 1 test tube of dilute H2SO4 to the conical flask. Now titrate this solution against KMnO4 solution. Record the first reading as the pilot reading. Add 0 to 1, 1 to 2 cm cube and so on till the color change is colorless to light pink. Note this reading as the pilot reading. The pilot reading is between 11 to 12. Now repeat the same procedure thrice and take 3 accurate readings. Record the observations in the observation table. Write the constant burette reading as CBR. Use the CBR value in the equation in the calculations and calculate molarity of KMnO4 solution. Write the result. The molarity of KMnO4 is equal to 0.017 molar.